Magic isn't a fictional story. It's here among us now. It's in the chill of a Scottish wind and in the warmth of your hearts. It's you. You're the magic.
Bonnie, my life, my light, my world. Our lives and our journey has brought us to this exact moment right here.
And then keep your finger on right here. You should make some YouTube videos. I learned off of YouTube videos.
Love is the most powerful thing.
Create your love to the ends of this earth and the next, and for all of eternity. I love you.
Today marks the newest and most important chapter yet.
Teach me your heart.
We get to continue our amazing adventure together, side by side.
Show me where to find all the secrets there.
You have protected me, taken care of me, respected me, been my adventuring partner, confidant, spent your best quality time with me, and most importantly, you have loved me. These last years with you have been the best of my life. You make me whole.
I will laugh, cry, hold, explore, breathe, and love with you forever. I cannot wait to start a family and grow old with you.
'Cause I was meant to love you. I was meant to love you. Yeah, I was meant to love you.
I am proud to get to be your wife and be able to love you during these best days, the worst days, and all of the days in between.
This is us. This is our wedding.
And together we will fill our home with joy, laughter, playfulness, and adventure. I'm so excited to grow with you and stand by your side as we chase our goals and dreams together. I love you more than you know, and today is the best day of my life. I can't wait to be your wife.
Today's our day, October 19th. I love you. Wait, I can't stop crying.
Okay, babe, it's okay. You can cry. I love you.